Hello ladies and gentlemen, another year has passed, so I thought I'd invite you into the shower with me to show you what my current night routine is. So first thing first is you have to get that shower running, and it usually takes a few seconds to get it to the right temperature. I do enjoy a nice and warm shower, but I do also put it a bit lower when I'm gonna wash my hair. Now when I am washing my hair, which I do every third day, I start by doing my hair first. I wet my hair and then I put some of this organics shampoo in, which to be honest is the cheapest and most accessible shampoo, which works on my hair, so that's why I'm using that. So I work it in around my roots, by my forehead, by my temples, behind my ears, at the nape of my neck, and in the middle of my hair. And then I scruff it around before rinsing it out. To rinse it out, I just bunch my hair up behind my head and give it a good squeeze to make sure I get all the shampoo out, as you can see me doing right here. And then I do it a second time. The second time I wash my hair, it gets a lot more foamy, which feels a lot cleaner, number one. And number two, if I wash my hair twice, I can go longer between washes. So I do feel doing it twice gets your hair cleaner than just doing it once. Now for the second rinse, I make sure to get everything out. I don't really mind water getting in my face. Yes, I do have makeup on from when I had Instagram pick my makeup for me, but I'm gonna wash my makeup off regardless, so it doesn't matter if it gets messy in the shower. But before I get to washing my face, I'm going to squeeze as much water as possible out of my hair so that I can put in some conditioner. I take about 5 pumps of shampoo, so I'm going to take about 5 pumps of conditioner, and then I work it in from the ends of my hair up to the roots, where with the shampoo I work from the roots down. So I just make sure to work the conditioner all the way through my hair and then leave it on while I do everything else I want to get done in the shower. And then the next step is washing my face. I'm still using this Johnson's face wash for dry skin, which is surprisingly hard to find. The market is definitely rigged toward more oily skinned people, but I use this or a normal to combination face wash and use it to get my makeup off or just to wash my face. When I'm wearing makeup, I make sure to focus on the edges of my eyelids to get all that eyeliner off before rinsing my face. Depending on how heavy the makeup was, I would go in a second time and wash my face with a little bit less product. Next, I brush my teeth in the shower, which I've been informed is not a thing everyone does, but I find it quite convenient. I have an extra toothbrush so I can have one by the sink and one in the shower, so I just pop the toothbrush in my mouth while I'm there. Next, it's time to wash myself, so I'm going to get my fluffy loofah and this wonderfully scented shower gel I got for Christmas. I believe it comes from Woolies, so I just put a little bit on it, foam it up nice and proper, and then wash myself with it. Now while I'm lathered up and washing myself, I also shave. I already have soap on me, so I might just as well go in with my razor and shave my arms and my legs, as opposed to washing myself, rinsing it off, getting soap on me again to do it afterwards. So I just kind of do both of them in one go. I'm using a Veet blade that's supposed to have built-in shaving gel, but it only lasted about 2 washes, so I just lather up with my loofah and then shave. After that, I make sure to properly rinse out my loofah so it doesn't get gross, and then I just hang it over the tap again. Now at this point, the conditioner has been in my hair for at least 5 minutes, so I'd step in under the water again and rinse it all off. That pretty much wraps up everything I do in the shower, so I get out and move on to my creams. Now once I'm out of the shower, my skincare routine continues. First thing I apply is my lip ice, and I don't apply too much of it. I kind of just dab it on and then rub my lips together to spread it. And then next I put on some face cream. This part of my routine is the same for the morning and the evening, so I use this Nivea for Men face cream, which smells nice and it lasts forever. This face cream also has SPF in it, which is a bonus, and I apply it all over my face, and I also bring it a bit down my neck because I'm a dry person and I want to hydrate all of my skin. Then I put on some deodorant to make sure I smell nice when I go to bed, and I apply a bit of perfume. It's not something that runs out fast and I want to use it up before it expires, so I apply it on my wrists and then tap it onto my neck so that I smell good at all times. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!